How to make money with Facebook ads for beginners. Welcome to Business with Joe. In this week's video we're going to share some tips for making money with Facebook ads. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, as every week we bring you new videos and show you how you can have the life you want. To make money with Facebook ads, you need to get 4 things right. You need to sell the right product, create the right ads, target the right audience, and set the right budget. Sell products with a track record. There are particular hacks on Facebook ads for beginners that are good to know about to make money with Facebook ads. You can sell almost anything on Facebook. However, if you want to make good money on Facebook, then you've got to be a bit more strategic with the products that you're selling. Stop asking, "What do I want to sell?" and start thinking, "What are people buying on Facebook?" If your goal is to make money with Facebook ads, you need to sell something that's been validated on Facebook. But how do you know what products are making money with Facebook ads? On Facebook, you want to begin by searching a niche that is a product category that you're interested in, and decide on something that you might already have experience in buying. For example, if you have a pet, maybe you're used to buying toys and food for them. Type this in the search bar: pet treats. But now you want to go one step further by adding a phrase that dropshippers and entrepreneurs typically include in their ads for pet products. So that could be, for example, 50% off, but it could also be free shipping or limited time only. Once you've got that in the search bar, hit enter. Click videos to filter your results by videos. Video ads are the most effective way to advertise on Facebook, especially as a beginner. The higher the views and the more recent the video, the more promising the product that's in the video is as a high potential product to sell on Facebook. Remember, as a beginner in Facebook ads, you want to earn money, and this Facebook ad hack can do just that. You might find something with over 1 million views that has been advertised for a few years, or you might find something more recent with 10,000 views. Aim for something with over 10,000 views. The more views, the better. The reason you want to pay attention to views is because that number tells you if a product is getting sales. So the number of views to a video is a good representation that an ad is getting sales. All ads on Facebook cost money to run. If someone is paying to run an ad for long enough that it gets over 1 million views, it's because that person is seeing a return on their investment in the form of sales. If they are getting sales selling the product, you can too. Some people advise against selling products that are already selling well. They say that these products are too saturated. However, many dropshippers that are making good money are doing so by selling well-established products. They took common products and marketed them in a fresh and creative way to new audiences. Write down the products that are performing well and make sure you search a lot of different terms. Also search products and free shipping. Also check out other popular sites that share viral content. One example is what's trending in CHEDDAR. CHEDDAR has a lot of viral content, not just product-focused bio content. The product-focused content is really promising winning products. Also, check out popular pages within your niche. For example, if you're in the outdoors or clothing niche, find sites that push these products. Researching your product on Facebook is a great way to see if it's actually being sold. However, you want to make sure that when you sell that product, your pricing and product pages are strong. There's no point in publicizing a product on Facebook, running ads, or having web traffic taken to a page that reads broken English descriptions from your AliExpress supplier. That won't get you sales. Your product needs to be priced well, and your product page needs to be able to convert traffic. Create Facebook ads that present a problem and a solution. To be effective, you have to be able to put in some work. You have to order a sample of the product you're selling and you've got to whip out your phone and take a few product videos. You have to be willing to learn some simple video editing techniques. And this is all achievable with no special skills and times without spending a lot more money. The key here is to film 3 critical shots for your Facebook video ads because these 3 shots get Facebook audiences to stop scrolling and start buying. The first shot has to tell your audience about the problem that your product solves. Show them that the problem exists and how it might affect their lives. For ideas, go back to high-performing ads on Facebook that you were researching in the first place. Once you've captured the problem in your ad, the second step is to show the value of your product. Show them that your product solves their problem. Now you've got a shot that shows the problem and a shot that shows your product as the solution. The third shot you need is to describe your product. In other words, tell your audience about its features and other benefits that come along with it. This last bit is the easiest to film, and for most entrepreneurs, it's the only thing they'll film. Think about how many ads you see that just show you a product and tells you that it does XYZ. What those ads don't do is get you emotionally with that first hook that describes a problem and then hits you with that second shot that describes how the product solves that problem. That's why you need those first 2 shots and the third to get a great ad that Facebook audiences will click on. Target audience with Facebook Audience Insights. Now you've got the right product and the right ad to make money with Facebook ads. Facebook wants you to make sales. Facebook is a business and it knows that if you make sales you'll keep paying to run ads on their platform. Facebook also knows that it can be hard to put your ad in front of the right audience online, especially if you are new to Facebook advertising and don't know too much about the platform. So Facebook has created a tool called Facebook Audience Insights. Facebook Audience Insights allows you to create an audience of people who will be most likely to buy your product, and then you can play your ad directly to that audience. The first thing a lot of dropshippers will do is determine what country they want to target. Now, a lot of people will choose the United States, and the US is a huge e-commerce market, with a lot of shoppers. But because of that, there's a lot of competition that will drive up the price to market to the US. We recommend other countries to start with, especially if you want to save some money while still making sales. Those countries are Australia, New Zealand, Canada, and the UK. So choose a country that isn't too competitive in your particular niche so your cost per click isn't too expensive. Set budget using your product price. How do you set the right budget for a Facebook ad so that it makes sales without losing too much money in the process? When you're running Facebook ads, your ultimate goal is to make sales. This takes patience. It's okay if you don't get immediate sales, you'll still get data about how your ad performed and what you can do to optimize it. But don't spend money on a losing ad. One key difference between beginner and experienced six-figure dropshippers is that the six-figure dropshippers know when to stop and try another audience, video ad, or even another product. A rule that helps you determine when to stop spending money on Facebook ads is take the price of your product and multiply it by 3. That should be the cap for testing your product on Facebook. We hope this video has helped you start to understand Facebook ads. Let us know how you get on. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, as every week we bring you new videos and show you how you can have the life you want.